Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all a stock that is about to go crazy tomorrow and why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of our last video, right after the intro. Alright, y'all. Again, before we begin, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, alright? So let's get started. Today was a very choppy day. It's been like that throughout like the entire month. Just this nasty chop fest. It's not very fun. It's trading can be quite difficult here. There's some traps in between, right? But the overall trend is still bullish. It's still going in that direction. And I honestly think that we'll keep going like that for quite some time. It's just gonna chill in here and it's gonna be very, very annoying. So moving forward, be very cautious and be very selective with the plays that you make. The trend will be up, but for day traders or for swing traders, I would say it will be kind of annoying. It will be very annoying, right? So watch the whole market for kind of a chop fest throughout the next few days. Now, the stock that y'all should be keeping on your watch list for the next few days, I would say, that stock is Zoom, ZM. All right. And the reason why I want to share Zoom with y'all is because of this. If we take a look at the daily, right, let me zoom in right here. There is actually this falling wedge that broke out not too long ago, right? It broke out quite cleanly right there. All right, and it's been running ever since like I think 4 days ago. Yeah, that is 5 days ago. It's been running. I like the fact that it didn't get annihilated through earnings right there. That was something that I was watching very closely to see if it would survive. It definitely did, and so far it is uptrending right now. And I definitely think that this setup is very clean and it is good enough for me to share this one in today's video. Where could this thing go? I think we could go all the way up to like, okay, let me give you some conservative numbers. Somewhere over here, right over here near like 370, maximum 380. It could take slightly longer to get there, but again, this is just me being like conservative with it. Could it go higher? I definitely think that it could. It has the potential to do so. I've seen these things play out very, very well, and this one looks very, very clean. So keep this one on your watch list for the next few days. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. For those of y'all who dropped those in the comment section of our last video, the first one that we're going to be tackling in this video is CRSR. All right. And I'm pretty sure I have a good feeling of why y'all may have dropped this one in the comment section. I was watching this one as well, being very, very patient with it. There is something very tempting right here. So tempting for longs, and I'm sure y'all were watching it as well. And this is very nasty right there. That hammer right at the breakout and then followed by the reversal, and now we consolidate some more. It's very disgusting, as y'all can see. Longs don't like that. I don't like that. I've been trapped like that for multiple times in the past, and it's very annoying. So when you see something like that, you gotta be very patient. That way you don't get caught up in this mess right here, right? You get in here and then there's a gap down, and now it's just chilling here and it's not gonna go anywhere. And I honestly don't think that we will get anywhere for maybe like about 2 to 3 weeks. All right, I think it's just gonna chill in here, and then eventually slowly creep out, and then maybe make some moves somewhere over here. So if you're a long-term investor, hold it stock in this. These commentaries doesn't apply to you because you're the type of person that like to buy these dips over here and hold and wait. All right, so that's you. I'm talking about the people who are trading options. If you're holding calls on this one, you're getting crushed. All right, just know that this is not a good look. And plus, the volume is not that great. It's not like this region over here, right, or somewhere over here where the volume was around like 10 million. It's not like that. It's really, really low. It's below 5 million right now, and it's just consolidating. There's no fun here. So look for better opportunities also other than this one. That's my very honest opinion on this stock. The next one that we're going to be talking about in this video, that stock is AI. And AI, I covered it in the past when it was a long time ago, like somewhere in these regions right here. All right, it had earnings, it spiked a bit, it had its moment, and then right after that, it immediately is going on this downtrend. Could it go down further? Yes, towards like the $53 level, it definitely can. So watch out if you are long. I was watching this thing for a potential rebound at this low at around 59, but this is not looking very promising. I am keeping my eyes on it though. Again, it could consolidate some more. It could. It's either gonna consolidate some more and then show some signs of life. I like the way the volume is increasing. I just don't like that 59 or that $60 level got taken out like that today. And also was because of the way the market was overall. So again, keep this one on your watches. It is beaten down for quite some time. And again, there is all of this room over here. So all of you long-term investors who have done your due diligence on this stock and you love this stock, again, you're just gonna hold for a very long time and you're gonna be happy with it. But for traders, again, for traders who trade options, your entries have to be very timely. All right, that way you don't get crushed by theta. The next one that we will be talking about in this video, that stock is WKHS, Workhorse. All right, and we have been trading this thing. Actually, we made some good trades on there until the 8th, and then I told everybody to get out. That I got out, and then it went up just a little bit more, and then all of that move got destroyed right over here. All right, all of the momentum got taken away. I don't think that these stocks like Workhorse or other stocks in this sector are gonna move very far. I think that it's just going to consolidate. If you take a look at this thing right there, let's see the 2 minute. All right, the volume is like decreasing along with the price. So I'm expecting this thing to just stay in this box for quite some time. And until it gets out, like nobody is winning here. It's just gonna be a chop fest. It's gonna be very annoying, kind of like what I think the market is gonna be doing throughout the next few days. So just keep your eyes out for that. Now, if it forms something very, very nicely, let's say that it creeps up over here towards 18, then yeah, there's an opportunity on this one for sure that you should be keeping an eye on. But as of right now, just watch it in this box. If it gets out, there may be an opportunity for you, all right? But I'm being very, very patient with it. I'm not in a rush. I'm in no rush whatsoever. The stock can do its thing. And honestly, you should just chill and just watch as well and be ready for the next move. The next one that we're going to be talking about in this video, somebody asked about whether VRTX was a great buying opportunity. All right. And let's check this out really quick. So I was watching this thing for a potential breakouts. And today, after hours, showed me this. And I was like, whoa, this is nasty. But how low can this thing go? All right. I don't think it's going to go low. Like it's already been beaten down enough towards the $180 level. Somewhere over here, that's where it's going to open. So watch it. Watch it, especially if there's some like large volume. If there's some large volume with this one, there's gonna be that huge gap that's gonna need to be filled at some point in time. So there could be a day trading opportunity on this stock. So keep it on your watch list for a potential long. Actually, I think it's gonna go down just a little bit more towards 183, maybe 184 first, before trying to make a rebound. So just keep an eye out on that stock. Was the drop predictable? It's really difficult to say. The structure already is kind of bearish. We got this bear flag over here, right? Was it predictable? Not really. It would have been predictable if it just slowly faded in here and then immediately tanked. But this is just nasty for anybody involved. See, and the volume is just so low. So hopefully none of y'all got caught into this. So yeah, just keep this one on your watches for potential rebounds. Again, at 183 for a day trading opportunity. What's gonna happen next? Again, I don't know. We'll see what happens when it opens up, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications, that way you don't miss out on new uploads. If you would like to be part of a private Discord, you can find that as the very first link in the description of the video below. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I'll have some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after you sign up with Webull using my third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. Alright, enjoy the outro.